The TheraBionic device will come with up to 20 hours of treatment. Additional treatment hours can be uploaded using the activation card. Each activation card provides 93 hours of treatment. To load additional treatment hours, connect the docking station to the power supply and plug it into an electrical outlet. The LED light is green. Insert an activation card into the docking station, making sure the logo is facing down and the chip facing up. Now the LED light will flash orange. Place the TheraBionic close to the docking station. On the TheraBionic device, press and hold the Start Pause button with one finger, then press and hold the On-Off button with another finger. Now release both fingers. Wait will appear. After approximately 40 to 60 seconds, wait will change to load. Now press the Start Pause button. You will see 93 additional hours added to the original time. This indicates that 93 hours were successfully loaded. The maximum activation time that can be uploaded is 500 hours. If you would like to check the status of a card, insert it into the docking station slot, taking care to insert it with the chip facing up. If the LED light is red, the card has already been used or the card has already been emptied. If you insert the card upside down, the LED light will be red. So take note on how you have inserted the card.